let me go straight Crocodile. Then you're gonna do some killing times. So I don't know what it's called, killing A. So I go to be the chaos special. So that'll be more of them. So what is the Mutant chaos? Well, it's a slime trademark of fashion. It's actually incorporation. Well, that's well. So this is the logo right over there. Yes, we'll see this. I knew it. So the one million chaos is probably coming on August 28th, 2026. 24 hours. Am I right for this or what? Maybe you should probably go and have some fun, isn't it? Or even the music trucks, or even this mysterious girl came out from San Diego, Texas. I get it. So don't tell anyone if she is here. She's a mysterious villain. Okay. So, anyways, our brand new Mutant chaos, it's called a Play the Production. Ask Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And don't forget to remember, go big, go Hot Wheels! Woo!